Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy, Dude on Chicks YT here, and I'm with my good old friend,
Call me it.
Mr. Killer Boss.
Thank you. And here, hello, it's your bestie, Killer Boss. And I'm here with Mr. X.
Dude on Chicks YT.
YT. I'm sorry, I'm confused with your name. Okay, let's get this started. 3, 2, 1, start.
Light off and practically dove into the tent. I whispered to Calvin what I saw, and as we both fell silent, we realized that the noise had stopped. I told Calvin to call his house phone as quietly as possible, but he said we should run straight for the back door. I agreed. He unzipped the tent as quietly as possible and opened the little door, and when he ran out of the tent, he screamed. In reaction, I jumped out from the tent and ran straight for the back door as well, not looking behind me. When I asked Calvin why he screamed like that, his response scared me. He told me he saw somebody standing right by the side of the tent in arm's reach.
Holy
The rest of the night we slept in Calvin's room upstairs, and I could swear, with the window open, I could still hear the creaky fence being pushed, but every time I looked, I couldn't see anyone out there.
Oh,
Okay,
and
that
arm's
was
reach.
the scariest.
He said arm's reach.
I know. That
The-
one is the scariest. Jesus Christ.
What he said. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye. That was scary as
Goodbye.
hell. Fuck
It
this
was.
again.